In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok message problem. If you can't send a message on TikTok, then this video is for you. So now let's solve this problem. For this, first of all, you have to open your TikTok application. So here we go. Now tap on the Me icon on the bottom right corner. Now you will see the three dot on the upper right corner. Tap on this. Now scroll down and find out report a problem. So tap on report a problem. From here you have to choose notification/messages. Tap on this. From here tap on direct message. Tap on this. From here you have to choose other. Tap on other. Here it is said that is your problem resolved? Tap on no. Then tap on need more help. Tap on this. Wait a while. Here we have to write about the problem we faced. So I wrote here, hey TikTok team, I can't send any message on TikTok. Please fix my problem as soon as possible. Thanks. After writing this, tap on report. After a while, TikTok team will read your feedback and solve your problem. So I hope you understand the full process. If you have benefited from this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video. Till then, take care.